Do you want to completely delete a group chat on Instagram that has outlived its purpose? In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to remove any group on Instagram using your Samsung or any other Android device. So let's launch the app and then, from DM, go to your group. First of all, make sure there isn't any sensitive or important content in this chat. Download before deleting. To start the delete process, tap at the top on the group name or the members list. From there, go to people. You will see the full list of all the people those are in your group. Now, before you delete the group, you will have to remove all the users one after another. So for that, tap on this three dot and then remove the user. Do the same for all the other group members. When you are the only one left in this group, go back one step. Now you can either leave this group or from your DM thread, just delete this group forever. Any one of these will do the same purpose. This is the only legit way to delete any group on Instagram. And even if it's not deleted from other people's chat section, there is no way for them to reply or continue a conversation in that thread. So you are safe. Don't worry about that. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.